Sit comfortably. Let your back be supported. Let your feet feel the ground. One hand on your chest, the other on your belly. Let your exhale get a little longer and let the body settle. Gently move your eyes left and right, as if you're tuning an inner screen. Lightly tap the upper part of your breastbone and say inside, calibration on, facts only. I'm back in the driver's seat. Now imagine a quiet movie theater. Safe, empty. A wide screen in front of you. We're doing a fast edit. Not therapy homework, not analysis. Just clean frames. Past in one quick reel. Let 3 short snapshots appear, like headlines. One from childhood, a simple moment, one fact. Say that happened. One from your teens or early adulthood, one fact. Say that happened. One from your adult life, the most alive moment, one fact. Say that happened. Now let those 3 frames become one reel. Not good, not bad, just data that shaped you. Gently move your eyes left and right, like you're splicing the reel into place. Now, the present frame, one snapshot of today as it is. No commentary. Check the body. Where is the strongest signal right now? Chest, belly, throat, face, shoulders. Say, this is where I am. Let your exhale get a little longer. Now we give time to the future. Bring up one future scene, not a fantasy. A next season you can actually live. In this scene, you look more like yourself, more aligned, more steady, more clear. Make it real with 3 details. First detail, the body. How does your body feel in that future? Breath, posture, face, the way you move. Second detail, one action already in motion. One small step you're taking. One conversation. One task. One habit. One decision. Third detail, the environment. Where are you? What's around you? Light, sound, the rhythm of your day. Now say inside, I keep what works. I build the next season. Gently move your eyes left and right, as if you're anchoring that future frame. Bring attention to your chest. Choose one micro step for today. Small, real, doable in 1 minute. And say, calibration complete. The reel is assembled. The step is chosen. I lead my next reaction. Look around. Name 3 objects and return to your day.